Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will compute the square and cube value of 5 and display the results on the screen using TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here problem. Write a program that will compute the square and cube value of 5 and display the results on the screen. So we have here the solution. The file name is square_cube.ts, and then we have several comments here. So here I declare a variable let_num let, and then I assign a value of 5. So in this line of code we are converting to square value. So let square equals val_num multiplied by val_num, and then in this line of code we converting the cube value. So in order to convert it to cube value, we multiply itself by 3. So let cube equals val_num multiplied by val_num multiplied by val_num. New line here, the title square and cube number in TypeScript. Square of val_num is square, cube of val_num is cube, and a program. As I said earlier guys, don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us go to our Visual Studio Code, and then in the terminal window we will execute tsc TypeScript compiler square underscore cube.ts. Press the enter key. Let us wait for the compiling process to take place. Okay, let us run node space square underscore cube.js. So we have here the outputs, square and cube number in TypeScript. Square of 5 is 25, cube of 5 is 125, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video, square and cube number in TypeScript. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.